Do you know that some of the foods you eat every week, foods you may think are completely harmless, could be quietly overworking your liver, especially after 50? Most people don't realize this because the liver doesn't scream when it's in trouble. It whispers through fatigue that won't go away, bloating, brain fog, slow digestion. Has this ever happened to you? You eat normal food, but your energy keeps dropping, and no one can explain why. Here's the truth. After 50, your liver becomes more sensitive. It processes toxins more slowly, burns fat less efficiently, and struggles when certain foods show up too often. And the scary part? These foods don't cause pain right away. They cause silent stress. Stick around because in just a moment, I'll show you the 3 foods quietly damaging liver health, why they're more dangerous after 50, and simple liver-friendly swaps that actually help your body heal. Before we continue, take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to Green Health because everything we share here is about helping you age stronger, cleaner, and healthier naturally. And let me know in the comments, have you ever been told your liver enzymes were a little high? Over 50, these 3 foods quietly stress your liver and what to eat instead. Your liver is your body's main detox organ. It filters your blood, processes fats, balances cholesterol, and neutralizes toxins. Over 500 jobs every single day. But after 50, the liver doesn't bounce back as quickly. That's why certain foods, when eaten often, can slow liver function over time, even if they seem normal. Let's break this down clearly. Food number 1, refined vegetable oils, soybean, corn, canola, sunflower. These oils are everywhere. Fried foods, packaged snacks, fast food, restaurant cooking. The problem isn't fat itself, it's how these oils behave inside your liver. Why they stress the liver. High in omega-6 fatty acids, which promote inflammation when consumed in excess. Easily oxidize when heated, creating compounds the liver must work harder to neutralize. Contribute to fat accumulation in liver cells over time. After 50, this constant inflammation can lead to sluggish digestion, elevated liver enzymes, fatty liver changes. Has this ever happened to you? You eat out or snack often and feel unusually tired afterward. Liver-safe alternatives: extra virgin olive oil, cold use, salad, light cooking; avocado oil, stable for higher heat; whole food fats, avocado, olives, nuts, in moderation. Tip: rotate oils. Don't rely on just one. Food number 2, processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, bacon, deli meats. These foods may be convenient, but they create hidden work for the liver. Why they're a problem? Contain preservatives and additives the liver must detox, high in saturated fat, which increases fat storage in the liver, often paired with refined carbs, worsening insulin resistance. Over time, this combination makes it harder for the liver to break down fats, balance cholesterol, and clear toxins efficiently. Let me know in the comments if processed meats are a regular part of your meals. Liver-friendly protein swaps: fresh fish, sardines, salmon, mackerel; eggs, especially pasture-raised; beans and lentils, gentle on the liver; homemade roasted chicken or turkey. Tip: if it comes in a package and lasts forever, your liver pays the price. Food number 3, sugary drinks and hidden liquid sugar. This includes soda, sweetened juices, flavored teas, and some healthy smoothies. Here's what most people don't know. Liquid sugar goes straight to the liver. What happens inside the liver? Fructose is processed almost entirely in the liver. Excess fructose turns into fat. Fat builds up inside liver cells, slowing detox and fat metabolism. This is one of the fastest ways liver stress develops after 50. Has this ever happened to you? You don't eat much sugar, but you still feel bloated or foggy. Better drinks for liver health: plain water, warm or room temperature, water with lemon or cucumber, unsweetened herbal teas, whole fruits instead of juices. Fiber protects the liver. Tip: eat sugar, don't drink it. Why this matters after 50. When your liver works better, cholesterol improves, energy returns, digestion becomes smoother, brain fog reduces, inflammation drops. And the best part? Your liver can heal when you stop overloading it. Stick around, because in the next part, I'll show you simple daily habits that support liver repair naturally without stress or extreme dieting. Simple daily habits that support liver repair naturally, no stress required. Your liver is one of the few organs that can regenerate even after years of stress. What it needs most isn't a strict detox or harsh cleanse. It needs daily consistency. Here are gentle habits that quietly help your liver recover and work better, especially after 50. Habit 1. Start the day with water before anything else. After sleep, your liver has been working all night to filter toxins. Why this matters? Hydration helps bile flow smoothly, supports toxin removal through urine, reduces liver congestion in the morning. Simple way to do it? 1 glass of plain or warm water. Optional, a squeeze of lemon, not required. No supplements, no fasting, just water. Has this ever happened to you? You wake up tired even after sleeping well. Dehydration is often the reason. Habit 2. Gentle daily movement. 10 to 20 minutes is enough. Your liver loves movement, but it doesn't need intense workouts. Why movement helps? Improves insulin sensitivity, reduces fat buildup in liver cells, helps lymphatic drainage. Best low-stress options: brisk walking, light stretching, chair exercises, short post-meal walks. Tip: walking after meals helps your liver process sugar and fats more efficiently. Habit 3. Give your liver a nightly break. Late-night eating forces the liver to work when it should be repairing. Simple rule: try to stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Keep dinners lighter than lunch. This allows the liver to focus on repair, balance cholesterol, reduce inflammation overnight. Let me know in the comments if late dinners are common for you. You're not alone. Habit 4. Eat 1 liver-loving food daily. You don't need a perfect diet. Just 1 supportive food per day makes a difference. Great choices: leafy greens, spinach, ugu, kale, cruciferous vegetables, cabbage, broccoli, garlic or onions, avocado, citrus fruits. Think addition, not restriction. Habit 5. Protect your sleep. Your liver does its deepest repair between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Poor sleep raises inflammation, disrupts blood sugar control, slows liver regeneration. Simple sleep habits: dim lights in the evening, avoid heavy meals late, keep bedtime consistent. Even improving sleep by 30 minutes helps liver health. Habit 6. Reduce hidden salt and sugar without obsessing. Too much salt and sugar increase fluid retention and liver stress. Easy swaps: cook more at home when possible, taste before adding salt, replace sugary drinks with water or herbal tea. Progress beats perfection. Habit 7. Practice calm eating. Stress hormones directly affect liver function. Try this: sit down to eat, chew slowly, breathe between bites. This helps digestion and reduces the liver's workload. Has this ever happened to you? Eating fast, then feeling bloated or heavy afterward? the big picture. Liver repair doesn't come from extremes. It comes from small, repeatable actions. Drink water, move gently, eat simply, sleep better, reduce stress. Stick around because in the next video, I'll share foods that actively help the liver rebuild itself after 50 and how to eat them safely. Like this video if you value simple, natural health tips. Subscribe to Green Health for stress-free wellness after 50. Which habit will you start today? Let me know below. Thanks for watching to the end, and I'll see you, God willing, in the next video. Remember, Green Health cares.